Welcome to Uncover History. I'm Jonathan Walters. Today we discuss a developing story about Pakistan's JF-17 PFX program. This project is not just another fighter jet project, it's the beginning of a new era in aerial warfare. Designed to be Pakistan's most advanced fighter, the PFX is envisioned as a twin-engine, stealth-capable jet with cutting-edge technology. But in modern warfare, a fighter jet is no longer just a lone warrior. The real strength lies in Loyal Wingman drones. AI-powered, autonomous, unmanned combat aerial vehicles that fly alongside manned jets, increasing their effectiveness and survivability in battle. Pakistan is now looking for a Loyal Wingman for its JF-17 PFX, but there are many options in the market. Some of the most advanced programs include America's Project Carrera, speed racer, Boeing's Loyal Wingman, and Turkey's Kizilelma. On top of this, Pakistan and China are also secretly working on their own UCAV project, a move that could reshape Pakistan's Air Force forever. Now let's take a deep dive into these cutting-edge drone programs and analyze which option suits Pakistan the best. America's Project Carrera, the speed racer. The United States has always been at the forefront of drone warfare, and its latest project, Project Carrera, led by Lockheed Martin, aims to create a revolutionary Loyal Wingman system. One of the key components of this program is the Speed Racer drone, a small, stealthy, AI-powered UCAV designed to accompany 5th and 6th generation fighter jets. Specifications and features of Speed Racer: stealth capability designed with radar-absorbing materials, making it nearly invisible to enemy radars. AI-powered autonomy uses artificial intelligence for independent decision-making during combat. High-speed operations, built for extreme speeds, enabling rapid attacks and evasive maneuvers. Smart weapons integration can carry precision-guided missiles and electronic warfare systems. Low-cost and swarm tactics. Unlike expensive fighter jets, multiple speed racers can be deployed for overwhelming enemy defenses. The main advantage of Speed Racer is its AI-powered combat decision-making. However, since this is a US-based program, Pakistan has no chance of acquiring it due to US export restrictions. So, let's move to the next option, Boeing's Loyal Wingman drone. Boeing Loyal Wingman, the future of AI-powered air combat. The Boeing Loyal Wingman is one of the most advanced UCAVs developed by the United States and Australia. Unlike Speed Racer, which is still in testing, Boeing's Loyal Wingman has already flown multiple successful missions. Specifications and features of Boeing: stealth design, low radar signature, making it difficult for enemy radars to detect. High-speed combat, capable of flying at high subsonic speeds, making it a fast-moving threat. Modular weapons system, can carry air-to-air missiles, electronic warfare pods, and surveillance equipment. AI-powered combat assistance, can operate semi-autonomously or fully autonomously in high-risk combat zones. Extended range, can fly alongside fighter jets on long-range strike missions. This drone is designed to fly alongside F-35 and F-22, making it an integral part of Western air forces. However, Pakistan is unlikely to acquire this drone due to strict export controls from the US and Australia. That leaves us with a more realistic option: Turkey's Bayraktar. Kizilelma is one of the most advanced UCAVs in the world. Unlike the Speed Racer or Boeing Loyal Wingman, which are mainly support drones, Kizilelma is a full-fledged combat UCAV with fighter jet-like capabilities. Specifications and features of Kizilelma: stealth technology, uses radar-absorbent materials and a sleek design to reduce radar detection. Supersonic speed, can achieve speeds close to Mach 1, it one of the fastest drones. Jet engine power. Unlike traditional drones, Kizilelma uses a turbofan engine, making it highly maneuverable. Air-to-air combat capability, can engage enemy jets in dogfights, unlike most UCAVs, which are mainly for air-to-ground attack. Turkey is a close ally of Pakistan, meaning Kizilelma could be an option for Pakistan's JF-17 PFX. Given Pakistan's strong defense ties with Turkey, Kizilelma is the most realistic foreign option. But what if Pakistan doesn't need to import a drone at all? Pakistan and China have already been working together on UCAV technology. China is one of the world's leaders in drone warfare, with advanced UCAVs like the GJ-11 Sharp Sword and CH-7 stealth drone. There are reports that Pakistan and China are secretly developing a custom Loyal Wingman UCAV for JF-17. This drone could be stealthy, AI-powered, and designed for deep strike missions, capable of carrying both Turkish and Chinese missiles, integrated with the JF-17 PFX's advanced avionics. Designed to counter India's future air power developments, if Pakistan develops its own drone with China, it would be tailored specifically for the PFX program, making it the best choice for Pakistan's Air Force. Which option is best for Pakistan? Now let's compare all options. Project Carrera Speed Racer, extremely advanced but unavailable to Pakistan due to US restrictions. Boeing Loyal Wingman, excellent for modern warfare but cannot be exported to Pakistan. Turkey's Kizilelma, a strong candidate but still under development and may not fully integrate with PFX. Pakistan-China UCAV project. The best option, as it would be specifically designed for Pakistan's JF-17 PFX and could carry both Chinese and Turkish weapons. The final choice depends on Pakistan's budget, defense strategy and partnerships. But one thing is certain. The future of Pakistan's Air Force is not just about fighter jets, but also AI-powered UCAVs. The JF-17 PFX program is not just about competing with the world, it's about redefining air warfare for Pakistan, and the Loyal Wingman UCAV will be the key to its success. What do you think? Should Pakistan go for the Turkish Kizilelma, or should it develop its own UCAV with China? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more defense updates from Uncover History.